before Senator Malala was released, and that is the latest update that we have, that he has been released and that the Director of Public Prosecutions, the Office of the DPP, will not be pressing any charges against the senator. Now, this comes as a Samburu County Senator Steve Lelegwe arrived at Maralal Police Station in Samburu Central for questioning by officers from Directorate of Criminal Investigations. Residents led by some MCs turned up at the police station as the senator was escorted by the DCI officers to an office at Maralal Police Station for questioning.
Wakati senators wetu kama hawa wanapigania the formula for revenue allocation, sisi kama Wasamburu we are very few, na senator wetu akisimama na sisi hakuna makosa yako naye. Masenata wengine ambao wanasimama na such counties kama Samburu, Mandera, Marsabit, tafadhali tunaomba sana serikali, tafadhali muwape hawa masenata heshima, kwa sababu pia counties kama hizi sisi hatuna barabara, hatuna maji, hatuna vitu mingi sana.
It's very clear in our minds that the national government is actually intimidating senators from the marginalized counties, pastoral communities, because of the detrimental third generation formula.
They informed me that there are allegations of inciting violence in Samburu County and neighboring counties, Isiolo, Marsabit, Baringo, Turkana, and Laikipia, which I informed them that I'm not aware because conflict has been here.